Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Xavier, the math scientist. There I am. Let's go here. Let's do math best. Level up your pets alongside your wizard. Let's see here. Any pets like about? Oh, there's one. But to see what other wizards are wearing, just click on them. Oh, they really neat. I like it. Okay, let's see. 4 times 23 and 14 times 6. Dimension 2. Yeesh. Tough crowd. Also, why do you only get one try? Can't you at least get 2 tries? Like everything else? Everything else I get 1 try except for this one. It's just not fair. Let's go with 5 times 10 and 6 times 9. Dimension 1. Oh, I get it. Sorry, allow me. Fumble twice. And let's use Green Gust on him. Boom! 801 damage. That is just insane. Oh. Ow. Let's see here. 7 times 2 and it's gonna be 3 times 6. Dimension 2. Got it correct. Let's do Sparksville on him. Squibble. This is Sparksville on Squibble. Let's see here. 5 times 6. Let's go with that. And 4 times 7. And dimension 1. Got it correct, baby. Let's use Stateless Fury. Boom. Stateless Fury is pretty awesome. And I earned 47 stars. I reached 100 and level 8. I reached level 100. Excuse me, I reached 108. I earned 47 battle stars, pretty nice. Is that no good? I thank you all so much for watching. Leave a like to my video and subscribe to my channel. I hope you have a wonderful day. I see you next time. Bye.